Jack opened his mouth to tell her no, but boots crunched on the ground as Vixen came around the corner.
"You're a hypocrite, Jack,"
Vixen said, her tone cutting.
"Sticking your nose into my game and then you do that? Honestly?"
He crossed his arms. Had nothing to do with your game.
"Obviously,"
Vixen agreed, looking at the both of them.
"Thought you should know your daughter's madder than a mule chewing on bumblebees. And that kid you tried to squaw bash got dragged over to Nadine's clinic."
He rubbed his left cheek and found that it didn't have the roasted sensation from 2 days ago. "Oh, thank you for everything." Nadine waved it off. "It's my job. I'd better get to that ranch." Blaze collected his go bag and headed out. Nadine followed along, stowing her medical bag on the back of a strawberry roan Pegasus. The roan gave Blaze a curious look, ears pricked forward. "There you are." Emrys swooped down from above, dirt billowing as he back-winged and landed nearby. The stallion folded his wings and trotted over. "Your face didn't have spots before. Why do you have spots?" "Bruises." Blaze gingerly touched the skin below his eye and winced. Blaze took a swig from his drink. "Why's that? I don't understand why anyone would buy cookies made by a maverick." Cole's lips slid into an indulgent grin, the corners of his eyes crinkling. "They would sell because they're made by a maverick. Although perhaps for branding we'd call you an outlaw. It sounds more roguish." Blaze's confusion must have been obvious on his face because the other man pressed on. "Call it what you will. Romance, prestige, a cheap thrill. There are those who will be titillated by the thought of eating something made by an outlaw.